Now let's discuss about the median of a triangle. Before properties, at least I forgot to tell you about the median of a triangle. Now median of a triangle means when we draw a line from one vertex to the opposite side, and this line divides this into two equal parts. You can see this. If I give the name, BD and DC are equal, so that line is called the median. I repeat, a line which draws from one vertex to the opposite side and divides that opposite side into two parts, then this line is called the median. Now it is not necessary that you always draw from the top only. You can draw from this side also, like this. Yes, and from this side also. You can see I am giving the name D, A, B, C, D, E, F. Yes. So what is the median of a triangle? A line that joins one vertex to the opposite side and divides the opposite side into two equal halves is called the median. So in this diagram you can see AD, BF and CF are the median of it, and this intersection point is called as O. So a triangle has maximum 3 medians. Clear? And this intersection point is called as centroid. Clear about this? What is centroid? Centroid is nothing but the intersection of all the 3 medians, or we can say centroid is the point where all the 3 median joins together. Clear about this median? Now let's talk about the altitude. This word you have heard many a times. So what is altitude in this case? Now altitude. Now altitude means I am drawing first all the 3 different types of triangles. Then I will explain in different ways. Like I have drawn one acute angle triangle, then right angle triangle, and then obtuse angle triangle, because it is based on angles. Clear? And whereas median is based on the sides, because it breaks down opposite side into two equal parts. But here we talk about acute angle triangle. First A, B, C. Here this is right angle triangle. A, B, C. This is obtuse angle triangle. Okay. Now altitude says if we draw a perpendicular from one vertex to the opposite sides. Here in that median, when we were discussing about median, I told you a line that joins vertex to the opposite side. Here we are talking about perpendicular, right? Perpendicular means when we draw an angle of 90 degree. So when we draw from perpendicular from this, it will make an angle of 90 degree, and this AD will be the altitude of it. Clear? Because it make an angle of 90. Whereas in right angle triangle, you can see already a perpendicular is drawn. So the side itself will become the altitude of it. Clear? Because it make a 90 degree from one vertex to the opposite side. Now in this case, obtuse angle triangle, when we draw the altitude from this vertex, it will be outside it. So it is not necessary that altitude will be always inside the triangle. It can be outside in the case of obtuse angle triangle, whereas median is always inside it. Clear? So in this case, when we draw the perpendicular from all the vertices, you can see this point is, again I am writing E, F, and this point I have given as O. So a triangle has maximum 3 altitudes. In acute angle, in equilateral triangle it has 3 altitude. Right angle triangle it has 2, and it is. Now this center point is called, where all the 3 altitude meets, is called orthocenter. Clear? What is that orthocenter? Orthocenter is nothing but is a point where all the 3 altitudes of a triangle meet. Clear? Now again I am repeating, what is altitude? Altitude is nothing but a line which perpendicular drawn from one vertex to the opposite side. And when we say perpendicular, means making an angle of 90 degree. You can see in this. In this case, right angle triangle, the side itself will become the perpendicular. So there is no need to draw another perpendicular. Now in this case, you can see it is obtuse angle triangle. So perpendicular is drawn and it is outside. So in altitude, it is not necessary that perpendicular is drawn inside the triangle. Whereas in median, it is necessary that all the median should be inside the triangle. Thank you.